All right, so today we're going to solve using the zero product property, which we've kind of used before when we were graphing quadratics that were written in factored form. That's the word. So the zero product property, I've gone over it before, but let's go over it again. So the zero product property says that if two numbers multiply to zero, or in other words, their product is zero, then at least one must be zero. And we're going to use that, if I could write the word zero correctly. There we go. We're going to use that over and over and over again. In fact, this is one of the things that we use for the rest of the year. You're welcome. All right. So if you notice here, we've got two pieces that are multiplying together and equal zero. So because of the zero product property, I can say that I know that either x plus 5 equals 0 or 5x plus 4 equals 0. One of those things have to equal 0. Okay, so from here, I would subtract the 5 from both sides, and I get x equals -5. So that's one of my options. Then here, I would subtract the 4 from both sides, and I get 5x equals -4. Then I divide both sides by 5, and I'm just going to leave it as a fraction. So x either equals -5 or -4/5. All right? Okay. Perfect. All right, let's do another one. So these are ones that are already factored. It works out beautifully. So right here we've got 3n minus 5 equals 0, and we've got 2n minus 5 equals 0. So here I would add the 5 to both sides, and I get 3n equals 5. Then I divide both sides by 3. I get n equals 5/3. Over here I would add the 5 to both sides, and I get 2n equals 5. Divide both sides by 2, and I get n equals 5/2. So my options for n are either 5/3 or 5/2. All right, so now I want you to go ahead and try this one, and then we'll meet back together and practice factoring before being able to do this. Okay, thanks.